Well, Grandma, that will be $21 for your portion of Christmas ham. What? That's what you might hear at one family's Christmas lunch. See, someone posted on Mumsnet, that's a parenting site, about their partner getting invited to his mother's house for Christmas dinner, but she wants to cater it and therefore wants to collect cash. This has never happened before, and he's offered to bring the dessert, etc., but he said handing over cash just feels wrong, Stacy JAS writes. You may agree that handing Aunt Carol a 20 in exchange for her famous candied yams might seem a bit awkward. The funny thing is, people's responses on the message board were mixed. Some agreed that a big family meal can be pricey. Don't think of it as her charging you, but instead, think of it as you all contributing to the cost of the food, one person wrote. Others suggested alternatives to cash, like everyone bringing different dishes. But some said the whole idea was wrong. One wrote, if you can't afford it, don't invite people, or only cook what you can afford. I'd never charge anyone, far less family, for dinner.